Hey YouTube, it's your girl, The Real Teddy Talks, educating you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on entrepreneurship, your hustle and your grind, and building generational wealth. And today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency, the gold standard, the ultimate. And there was a comment made earlier today by Charlie Munger. He is the vice president of Berkshire Hathaway. And known for his investment all knowledge. I think calling him an investment guru doesn't give him enough credit, right? So he knows a lot about money. He knows about a lot about investing. So he made a comment today. Let me read it to you. He said, Bitcoin is disgusting and contrary to the interest of civilization. It also says he has long criticized Bitcoin for its extreme volatility and lack of regulation. Okay, so those were his thoughts on Bitcoin. And let me tell you my thoughts on Bitcoin. First, let me say Charlie Munger wouldn't be the first old white man to call something disgusting and against civilization. We've seen it through history, right? About the most inane of things. People, ethnicities, and yes, money, okay? But what I want to tell you is it's happening, right? So some people didn't like the internet. Some people still don't like social media. Some people still don't like Wi-Fi. Some people don't like cell phones and their access to you and how it takes away your free time and all that. So while we innovate and while we grow and while we increase our technology and our understanding and our artificial intelligence and everything that we know and that bubble gets bigger, there's going to be people who have been doing it a certain way and they don't like it. It doesn't make it wrong, and it certainly doesn't make it not profitable. And while he's saying that on one side of his mouth, don't you believe for a minute he's probably investing in it from the other side, okay? Because it is a money maker. When I got into Bitcoin, it was sitting right at $1,000. Today, I think it's close to $57,000. And no one knows where it's going to go. You don't know, I don't know, right? It could go higher during this current bull run, or the bear cycle could hit at any moment and it could tank back down to 20,000, 25,000, 30,000, down to 10,000. I don't know. Nobody knows. I do know that whatever it drops to, it's going to go up higher. And if the cycle is a prediction of the future, which all market cycles are, the next bull run is going to go even higher than it's at right now. And that is an opportunity for you to get in, make money, and invest. And I want to kill a misnomer, a misconception about Bitcoin. Although Bitcoin was intended to be a peer-to-peer payment system, that's not quite what it is now. And you have to look at it like gold, right? Bitcoin has high fees. It's kind of slow on the blockchain to acknowledge the transactions. And by slow, I mean like 10, 20 minutes. It needs a lot of verifications to prove the transaction actually took place. So for using it as a point of sale currency, if I go to a store, I buy a candy bar, should I pay for it with Bitcoin? The answer is no, okay? But you should use Bitcoin as a store of value. And you should continue to put your money into it if you're investing in cryptocurrency. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what I do. And you use it to build wealth. And when you want to take your profits out of it, you sell it into another cryptocurrency and then you make that withdrawal. If you want to transfer it for some other reason, you convert it to another cryptocurrency and then you take that currency and do what you want to do with it, or you take your money out. And you have to look at it like gold. Do people walk around with gold bars and go to the store and ask someone to change it? No, because that would be a process. Do you take a gold bar to a bank and say, hey, I want three-thirds of this gold bar and to do something with it? The answer is no, you don't, because the gold is the standard and it's a store of value. It is still valuable, it is still increasing in value, and good investors always invest in it, all right? Because it's something that you can have. Some people have it in their homes. Some people have the gold in their safety deposit boxes. Some just invest in ETFs that buy into gold. But they still buy into gold because it's a fantastic store of value, and you will always have money if you've bought into gold. Bitcoin, I believe, is the same way. You buy into Bitcoin, you keep your money in there, you dollar cost average, you buy the dips, you invest during the bear cycle, You double down during whatever you need to do so that you can get the security and the increase of your investment that you want. And despite what even the smartest financial person like a Charlie Munger or Warren Buffett may say about Bitcoin, it is here, it is real, and there are millions of people making money off of it. As a matter of fact, they're what we call whales, who are mega millionaires who are controlling sometimes the fluctuations in the different cryptocurrency sphere, the different cryptocurrency market. And they're making multi-millions in it. I'm making a significant amount in cryptocurrency, regular old, little old me. So you can too. You need to get into cryptocurrency. You need to understand it. You need to learn about it. Don't believe the hype. Learn about it yourself. Read the white papers. Get into the social media groups. Start to understand blockchain technology, DeFi, farming, mining, staking, all of these terms that go along with cryptocurrency, so you can find your niche within it or just invest in it and let it sit there. If you invest in good, solid coins with a solid platform and a solid purpose, and watch your money grow. Over the last 4 years, I went into an old exchange just the other day that I had actually forgot about. I keep forgetting about exchanges. And once you get into cryptocurrency, you'll understand how easy it is to do that. And found a half of an Ethereum. And Ethereum is sitting right now at $3,000. $3,000. I assure you, when I bought into Ethereum, it was not that high. As a matter of fact, Ethereum may have been in the like $100, $120, $25, $150 at the time. So when I bought into it, I put $75 into that account to use it to buy other cryptocurrency. So when I just logged back into it a few weeks ago and saw that I had like $1,500 there, I was like, oh, look at that. Who finds $1,500 randomly sitting there that you forgot about? This girl here, me. I do. And you can too, okay? So don't believe the hype. Do your own research. Do your own studying. And learn about the next big thing called cryptocurrency. Invest in yourself just 1% a day. Reach your exponential greatness and have phenomenal results at the end of any given year. This is the Real Teddy Talks, signing off.